Heat-resistant superalloys. I don't know if it's just me, but they're becoming more and more common in the world of manufacturing. So if you have been working with or quoting on heat-resistant superalloys, keep watching to learn more about the newest update in the CoroPak from Sandvik Coromant and what they have to tackle heat-resistant superalloys. Let's check it out. The insert selection that's available. Sometimes with new grades you don't get a wide variety, but they've got a decent assortment for these heat-resistant superalloys. We're looking at finishing applications, finish turning, although I'm about to show you a video that has some rough in it as well, so it's not out of the question. You know, that second generation Inveo technology, post-treatment technology, this right here, the way that they have changed, the way that their coatings are done, like the extra wear resistance, we're talking 30 to 50% extra surface feet a minute, which means faster processing thanks to this latest revolution. All right, so let's check out this video from Sandvik, turning some heat-resistant superalloys. Please do note on top, dry machining is not recommended. They're doing this so you can see the chipping action and cutting action. It will severely reduce your tool life by cutting it dry. But if you watch the way it's quickly dispersing the heat right into the chips, which is always the perfect place, even more so when you're dealing with heat-resistant superalloys. So they're gonna rough out the grooves. I'm gonna post a link to this video. Now they're roughing the face. Notice they're doing button style for both directions. Some more roughing. And here we go, some finishing. Just look at that surface finish, seriously. There we go again, the coolant off, nice slow-mo chip formation. These are some of the benefits. Like I already mentioned, 30 to 50% higher cutting speeds, which is absolutely bonkers, especially in the heat-resistant superalloys where traditionally you would have had to go a little bit slower. Higher productivity is king. Now here's some of the key applications, but really right here, last stage machining applications where your depth of cut is less than or equal to the nose radius of the tool. Here's where it compares against other grades if you're already using Sandvik tools. Here's the part families. You can get an idea of the geometries that it's currently available in. The CoroCut 12, 107, T-Max P. Now, this is compared to their previous grade. They always like to compare to see where they were before. So if you've tried their turning grades for heat-resistant superalloys before, and maybe you were left wanting, it's a great time to check them out again. They always benchmark against that previous generation so you know where they're at. And then right here, you'll notice, I mean, you got my trusty chair, but notice the nose wear. So there's Sandvik, there's competitor 2, competitor 1. Now they don't name the competition. They just want to show you how they're beating the competition and what the performance is. They don't need to label who they are competing against. So you can see a 110% increase in tool life going from 5 parts to 10.5. Even if we call it 5 to 10, that's still 100% improvement on heat-resistant superalloys. And with similar tools. There's the parameters. Notice they're running at the exact same parameters. Nothing changed. And double the tool life. That means there's extra surface footage you could be putting into this tool to increase your productivity. I'll put a link to the video as well as more information for these grades. And if you'd like to find out more, don't forget to send me a message and I'd be happy to help you out. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.